In Liebeck versus McDonald's restaurants, we'll see how a lawsuit over hot coffee led to tort reform in the United States. In 1992, 79-year-old Stella Liebeck's grandson drove her to a McDonald's restaurant. Liebeck ordered a cup of coffee at the drive-thru window, and her grandson parked the car so that Liebeck could add cream and sugar. Liebeck placed the cup between her legs, and when Liebeck lifted the lid off the cup, coffee spilled onto Liebeck's legs, buttocks, and groin. The coffee was absorbed into Liebeck's pants, which held the liquid against her skin. Liebeck suffered third-degree burns over 6% of her body and other burns over 16% of her body. Liebeck had to undergo skin grafting procedures and remained in the hospital for 8 days. After Liebeck was released from the hospital, she required medical care for years following the incident. Liebeck attempted to settle with McDonald's, seeking $20,000 to pay for her medical bills. However, McDonald's only offered Liebeck $800. After Liebeck's attempt to settle was unsuccessful, Liebeck brought a defective products liability lawsuit against McDonald's. Liebeck claimed that McDonald's served its coffee too hot, and McDonald's should have warned customers about the risk of burns. The McDonald's policy held that its restaurants had to serve coffee at 180 to 190 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature was about 20 degrees hotter than the temperature competitors would serve coffee. Liebeck's attorney presented evidence that at 190 degrees, liquids can cause third-degree burns in under 3 seconds, particularly if a person's clothing absorbed the liquid. Liquid at 180 degrees Fahrenheit can cause third-degree burns in 15 seconds. At 160 degrees, which is the temperature at which many other restaurants sold coffee, it would take 20 seconds of contact with the liquid to cause third-degree burns. During discovery, Liebeck's attorney discovered that over 700 people had been burned by McDonald's coffee in the previous decade. McDonald's settled the earlier claims for more than $500,000 total. McDonald's expert placed the blame for Liebeck's burns on Liebeck. The trial court jury awarded Liebeck $200,000 in compensatory damages. However, the jury found that Liebeck was 20% at fault, so her compensatory damages were reduced to $160,000. The jury also awarded Liebeck almost $3 million in punitive damages. New Mexico didn't have a cap on punitive damages, but the trial court judge reduced Liebeck's punitive damages to $480,000, which was triple the value of the compensatory damages. McDonald's appealed.